My name is Sikhulile Moyo. I'm a medical virologist by training. I'm based at the Botswana Harvard Health Partnership in Gaborone, Botswana. My work involves understanding mostly viruses, but obviously pathogen evolution, the genomics of pathogens, how these organisms change, how that impacts our ability to detect them, to inform diagnostics development, but also to inform vaccine development and therapeutics. From a population level, how we can track these viruses or other pathogens to inform prevention, to inform population level tracking of these pathogens, and that will be able to inform policy and guide interventions. My biggest success in the past 5 years is to translate pathogen genomics to pandemic preparedness, and the highlight was our first discovery of the Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2 in our lab, and that changed public health in a transformative way. I see myself as contributing to raising a next generation of scientists, mentorship, and we really need a critical mass of scientists in Africa, and I see that as my strongest contribution to make sure that we have a new generation that is able to do high-end science, collaborating within Africa, but also strong collaborations abroad to drive Africa's growth, Africa's innovation capacity, and Africa's sustainability. SANTHE has been such an amazing ecosystem, incubated us to be able to drive scientific excellence with seed grants and seed funding to help us translate our ideas that, when implemented, allowed us to access even bigger grants, meeting and networking with like-minded African scientists, training and capacity building. One of my first postdoctoral training was from SANTHE, and just providing me security as a postdoctoral fellow to think and secure about research. So SANTHE has been impactful, and I'm hoping to transfer these skills to other fellows. My job is one of the best jobs in the world because I see the impact of my work into public health, into public policy, but I also see the smiles of graduating PhDs and masters who are hopeful and to run the race and continue in impacting the world. So I'm excited about what I see in policy transformation, in changing, impacting lives. I see lives changed. The way we impacted mother-to-child transmission studies from very high levels of 39% to less than 1%, that is almost now dreaming of HIV-free generation. And that's happening in my lifetime, and that's really been exciting. The challenge is, of course, we are in a changing landscape of funding. Funding has been a challenge, and also being able to retain and maintain very good talent in very low resource setting is something that has been challenging, but we're continuously looking for solutions how to solve that.